Hi, my name is Meg McCarsick. I'm a career counselor here at Pace University Seidenberg School. Through career counseling at Seidenberg, I am able to work with students to explore their majors, get internships under their belts, build career confidence, and help you find the best fit through individualized career counseling for current students and even alumni. Here are some of the things that our students have to say about their current internships.
It was a rewarding experience.
I would like to thank Pace University for providing me such a hands-on experience.
I got to network, met up with them on LinkedIn. I'll definitely be able to go to them in the future for jobs, for help, for anything.
It was an awesome experience. I learned so many things which I could have never learned in a classroom.
This experience would be a big hand for me for my future job search and my career, both professionally and personally.
This summer I had an internship with a managed service provider called Lloyd Group. I was working as an intern for the Network Operations Center. I'm staying with them part-time during the school year, just so I can try to get some more hands-on experience and hopefully take some certifications by the end of the year.
During my internship, I worked as an IT intern where I was involved in developing a social network using scripting language and web designing tool. I hope this experience becomes a stepping stone for my career in IT.
This past summer, I worked for a company called Exerblast. With them I got a lot of useful skills, skills I can take into the real world. I did a lot of programming. I'll be able to use those at future jobs. The main thing I feel like I got out of it though was the ability to communicate. Just to be able to send emails, to talk to people in meetings, meet new people.
Throughout the last summer, I was working as a project manager intern at DirecTV. I had chances to work on multiple projects on a daily basis, and I was exposed to real-life environment of an American working culture. It was an invaluable experience.
I've learned a lot of skills that will surely enhance my future career needs.
To find out more, go to pace.edu/careers.